Welcome to Quick and Easy macOS. Here we provide you the information about macOS, anything if you want to install any software, any apps about that, or quick tips about macOS, how to use the macOS easily and comfortably. So now we are going to install Firefox. So just go to the Safari and go to your Google and type Firefox here and Mozilla Firefox. Get Mozilla Firefox for desktop. Yes, I want this one. Go to this place and here you'll find the option to download the Firefox. Click on the download. It will start automatically. Do you want to allow downloads from www.mozilla.org? Yes, allow it. And then you can see here your download begins. So depends upon your internet speed. Mine is faster one, so it's downloaded. Click on this little icon here and then this download window will open. Here is Firefox Mozilla. Double click on this one and then just drag it to the applications folder. So when you drag it, it will copy it to the application folder. It's copied. Done. Now I want to eject it, so I can simply either eject it from here if the location is visible on your Finder window. Otherwise not, then you can just simply go here on your desktop and Command E to eject it. So it's ejected. Now you can see here, go to your launchpad and here is Firefox. So let's open it. It's asking you, Firefox is an app downloaded from the internet. Are you sure you want to open it? Yes, open it. I want to open it. That's why I downloaded it. So here is the app. So quick tip, if you want to resize the window to the full screen, just go here. If you click here, it will do the full screen and there will be no status bar up. And if you don't want to make it full screen but want it to be resized to full screen, then hold Option button and then it will zoom. See, it's done. Okay, so keep Firefox in dock. Yes, I want that. Set as default browser. No, I don't want that. Import from previous browser. No, I don't want that. And save and continue. Okay, help from the laptop, phone, and no, I don't want anything. Just skip this step and then skip this step as well and start browsing. So your browser is ready. Close the other tab and now you can just open anything on this. See, I've opened Google. That's it. Thank you so much for watching. Do subscribe the channel and like the video if you liked it, and comment on the comment section below if you need any other help. Thank you so much.